In this tutorial, I will add a stair from east to west. Open the south elevation. Open the dialog box. In the dialog box, select Grid C for the east-west grid. Let the offset be 2000. Select Grid 5 for the north-south grid. Select Level 1 and Level 2 as bottom and top level. The number of risers is 16. Tread length is 250. Stair width is 1000. Let the waist slab thickness be 260 mm. Select center run for the stair run. Write the mark as per your requirement. Select the left arrow. That means the stair is going to climb from right to left, that is east to west. My stair starts with a riser and ends with a tread. Hit OK key. InstaCrete prompts to select the bottom floor. Press the Escape key on the keyboard. Then select the top floor. The software uses the structural foundation family to build the stair. Now we will have to save that family at a proper place. Select the proper folder to save the file in the dialog box. Name the family and hit the Save button. Observe the stair. There are 16 risers. The stair starts with a riser and ends with tread. Open the 3D view. Observe the shape of the stair near the bottom floor. We did not select the bottom floor while constructing the stair. Open the Level 1 view. Measure the distance from C grid to center of the stair. Confirm it as 2000 mm.